Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use slicer option in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use slicer option in Excel? Well, maybe you have a large table and want the full control to analyze it. So today I am going to show you how to use a slicer option in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now we have the name and product and yes, let's mark our tab, go to home, format as table, press OK, then we go to insert, then where's slicer, here's the slicer, press on it, just let's choose name and product, it's OK, we don't need unit because it's just numbers. Now we can filter with one value or two values, like press on Daniel, he just will show us Daniel results. We can choose Daniel and something like eggs. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to use the slicer option in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to use the slicer option, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.